What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hello and welcome traders. Welcome to Precious Pips. I hope all of you are doing good. So let's get started with today's analysis. Today is 6th of August, Thursday, and today we have the unemployment claims medium impact news event. All right, traders. So important trading day, and as you can see, tomorrow we have the red folder news event, that is hourly earnings, non-farm unemployment rate. So today and tomorrow is going to be very important trading day. All right, traders. So let's move on to our charts. So in our Telegram channel, I already gave you this diagram. All right, traders. So what happened? So let's move on to the 15 minutes time frame. So I already told you, traders, market gave us a big move. So we were watching these buyers. Okay, and also we had the FVG left. Okay, so that is fair value gap. Okay, so you can see over here fair value gap, fair value gap. Okay, so I updated this in our Telegram channel, so you can just have a look. So in the 15 minutes, if you can see over here, so price formed a resistance, a trend line. Okay, and after the breakout of trend line, so I updated in our Telegram channel, and it was a beautiful move. Okay, after covering the FVG. Okay, Twitter. So after filling the FVG, after giving a breakout of this trend line, so price went straight boom. Okay, traders. So if you want simple analysis like this, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. All right, traders. So I'll delete this as of now. Okay, so I've deleted everything. So let's come back here. So this is our yesterday's chart analysis that I've already provided you. Okay, traders. So first thing first, you need to update the previous day high and the previous day low, because this was our previous day. This was our previous day. Okay, so now today, this becomes our previous day, this big green candle, right? And now as you can see, what happened, traders, after liquidating the high of this candle, price is downwards. Okay, so some indications of the sellers entering into the market. All right, traders, so let's see what happens. So now, yesterday I gave you this daily resistance, and I told you, traders, after respecting a little bit, okay, so after a little bit of respect, we are going to have a breakout of this level. Okay, also the monthly high, each and everything I provided in the yesterday's analysis video. Okay, traders. So let me show you today's analysis. So how are you going to trade today? So first thing first, let me delete this daily level. Okay, so now this level is of no use. Okay, so now I have deleted this level. So here you can see, traders, now we have a new daily level, okay, which is this. So you have to mark this daily level, that is 4363 4382. Okay, so 200 pips level. So this is our daily level. So in the market structure, traders, very simple analysis. Okay, so watch this carefully. So very simple analysis. So I told you, traders, we already got a change of character over here. Okay, so now after a breakout, we are looking for a retracement, right? So we are looking for a retracement. Now what you need to do is you need to grab your Fibonacci, and you need to draw Fibonacci from this point to this point. Okay, so now these are our levels. So our basic the basic retracement is the 38.2%. Okay, so at least we are expecting price to hit 38.2% or the 50% 60% fib levels, and then there is a chance of again a continuation, or else we can get a breakout below. Okay, so we have a lot of liquidity left below, so I have already explained in my previous analysis videos. So yes, so let's see what happens. So we have the retracement now. Okay, so we have that retracement now. So we understood the market structure. Very simple, traders. Okay, so in this chart, so we have updated the daily level. Okay, so we have updated the daily level, daily resistance level. Okay, and we have the support level from yesterday itself. Okay, so this support level is from yesterday itself. So now what's happening over here, you can see in the 15 minutes time frame. Over here, traders, you can see clearly. resistance, a breakout, and then there is a no continuation. Okay, there's no continuation. You see traders, resistance, and a breakout, and again on the same level, price unable to continue. Okay, price unable to continue. So if we are breaking this level, then there is a possibility that we can come down to our retracement. All right, traders. So keep it simple, guys. I'm there with you. So make sure you join our Telegram channel. So link is in the description. Okay, guys. So till then, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out. Very simple analysis, guys. So I'm going to update this on Telegram. Okay. So I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out.